Welcome to Speak, and stories in today's English lesson will explore the story of Sophia and her best friend Lily. This video will introduce you to useful vocabulary and expressions commonly used in everyday life. It's also a fantastic opportunity to practice and improve your English listening and speaking skills. Listen carefully, my best friend. Hi, I'm Sophia. Have you ever had someone you can trust, or a person you can turn to when you need a shoulder to cry on? I think I've already found one. Let me tell you about my bestie, Lily. I met Lily on our first day of high school 2 years ago. We were both nervous. Lily had moved from Texas. We became friends because we both have a sweet tooth. We love baking and all kinds of desserts, so we spend a lot of time baking together. We love trying new recipes. We usually have sleepovers at each other's houses on Saturdays. During our sleepovers, we love watching our favourite show, The Great British Bake Off. It's a British television baking competition where amateur bakers compete against each other. The competition is very exciting, and since we love baking, we learn a lot from the show. What I really admire about Lily is her kindness. She cares deeply about people and animals. Once she found an injured stray dog on the street. Most people would not help, but Lily did. She took the dog to the hospital and then took him home. The kindest thing Lily has ever done for me was when my grandma passed away. I felt absolutely lost. Lily spent many nights talking to me and comforting me. She helped me get through the darkest time of my life. I'm always grateful for everything Lily has done for me. I can share my deepest secrets with her, and she never judges me. Lily is someone I can turn to when I need a shoulder to cry on. In the future, we might lead different lives, but we will stay close. Lily will always be there for me no matter what, and I'll always be there for her too. I'm so lucky to have Lily in my life. I love her so much, my dearest friend. Now, interesting vocabulary and vocabulary explanation expressions. Before we begin our speaking practice, let's learn some new words and expressions from our story. Understanding these will help you improve your English skills. Bestie. A very close friend. Often the closest one you have. Example. Whenever I have good news, my bestie is the first person I call. Sweet tooth. A liking for sweet foods like candies or cakes. Example. I have a sweet tooth, so I always enjoy dessert after dinner. Sleepover. When someone stays overnight at a friend's house for fun. Example. My daughter is excited about her first sleepover at her friend's house. Amateur. Someone who does an activity for pleasure, not as a job. Example. He's an amateur photographer, but his pictures are amazing. Compete. To try to be better than others in a game, sport, or contest. Example. My brother will compete in a tennis tournament next month. Admire to respect and have a high opinion of someone. Example. I admire my mother for her kindness and strength. Stray dog. A dog that does not have a home and wanders around. Example. The stray dog was looking for food near the grocery store. Lead a life. To live in a certain way. Example. She leads a life full of adventure and travel. Fantastic effort. Remember, every lesson brings you a step closer to English fluency. We're excited to see you in our next lesson. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Like this one, your support helps us to continue creating helpful content just for you until next time. Happy learning and see you soon.